we're finding that with a lot of our clients, YouTube strategies are growing from beyond just the I want to have a video and hope it goes viral sort of thing. It's about making use of the tools that YouTube has available. So we're focusing a lot around brand channels and what the opportunities are with a brand channel. And I think what's most interesting right now is that the brand channel model itself on YouTube is growing up. So it's not just a place to put some videos and put your brand logo on there and stamp it as done. It's a place to curate content. It's a place where we're actually starting to see, not directly some of our clients, but some other examples going on of people using it for direct marketing. Some really good examples. Cure Bad Breath is a YouTube channel that I just love, which is all about moving product, moving the Aura brush. We've just done a brand new channel for IBM that's about curating the best IBM content on the web, on YouTube, and bringing it all together in one place. Provides a really strong user experience.
Okay, so as an advertiser with all these analytics and metrics, how do you talk about the value? Has that been defined for marketers?
It's a really good question. So when we talk about value of video content, we're usually looking at engagement. We're looking at views plus length of view, completion rates. I talk a lot to clients about this notion that we have at Ogilvy called PPI, post-play interaction. And the concept there is it's easy to get people to watch a video. What's not easy is to get them to make the second click that's most important for you. So we work with our clients in trying to identify what that next click should be in their strategy. Is it direct marketing? Is it lead generation? Is it awareness? Is it about viewing more videos, or is it about going to a landing page, getting into the sales funnel? So different strategies require different measurement. I think, overall, measurement of online video is one area where the industry still has to improve. So when you do strategies with YouTube, you have a very nice, robust set of data that you get back. Some of the other sharing sites, not so much. Other ones fall in between. So it's still a case of where are you distributing and what are your goals.
And what about branded content? How is that working out, and how to get people watch that branded content?
So branded content is a major part of what we're doing. And the last time we spoke, we talked about the notion of VSEO, video search engine optimization. We're still focusing on that for a lot of content that we create. And it's finding the right blend to get the eyeballs to the branded content of what is search going to do for you, where does paid play a part, and then not to leave out the notion of blogger outreach and influencers, getting that content in the hands of the right people so that your desired audience finds it where they're already participating, rather than the old method of trying to drive them to a single URL.
What do you gurus think of 3D over there?
Well, we have some of the 3D technology active in our lab over at the Chocolate Factory on 11th Avenue, and personally, I think that there's a lot of opportunity here. What we're seeing in terms of 3D is a lot of what we saw at the beginning of HD, which is high production value, high bitrate content, looks great. You don't want to cut corners on the technology, you start to lose some of the effect. But we'll see. Right now, it's not even beta versus VHS, it's beta versus beta versus beta versus VHS. So we'll see what technologies rise to the top. That'll make it more interesting.
What's happening now in terms of the interest of migrating to online video? Is the industry ready for it? What's happening right now?
I think the industry's ready for it. I don't know that the audience is ready for a dramatic change right now. I think it's pretty evident how the internet audience expects to receive their content, and as we look at ways to monetize it, I think there's a lot of hope amongst the content producers that it doesn't just turn into a gatekeeping play, and that it actually puts content first. So yes, I think it can happen. Technology is in place for this year to be the year. The question is, can we figure out a way that everybody who needs to get paid gets paid without sending the consumer packing?
Okay, Ron, well, thanks for your time. Always great to see you.
Thank you, Andy. A pleasure.